Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, just have your phone out, cause this one is gonna big.
I say I can't go live. I can't go live. I don't know why I can't go live. I say I go down a man early the blood clot man. If you go for one job training or one interview. And this girl see me, cause she work in a restaurant, you know. But I see the girl up on the phone and she tell the manager, like manager ask her something on the phone and she like, no, pure no. But I not take it as nothing. You know? You don't know, so she have one friend, like she tell the friend, say, don't want to come down here, you know, for work, you know, and I just tell my boss, say she a thief, and show my boss her Instagram page. And people should not have not even a social or a work permit in America. And down at the restaurant, a blood clot work and box food out of my baby mouth, you crazy in a blood clot. Me say, when me a come, them not too much. Don't talk to you. So good, Karina. Everybody will go down there so for get to work. Or the restaurant which pass they should bantan the people them down there. Our head big na blood clot. Karina shape bad na blood clot. Karina na have nobody. Karina you favor the Dutch pot them in the blood clot restaurant. Karina you favor hugs na blood clot. Me say 3rd degree bring down when me can go live. Me go bring down your Miranda rights na blood clot. Me say the people them the big neck and the big hand and the big foot and the white eye and the blue eye and the grey eye, them not too much. Me say Rusty can't make you work, but done this on a blood clot. Me nah ask you. Me say I see me go bring down in a Manhattan. So every time I quiet to the fuck around me, so good girl I can show the man, boy. Me upon TikTok and me a thief. Who me have blood clot thief for you, so good Karina. The dirty girl go tell the man, say, me a thief. I make a thief them money in the restaurant. I rather thief food now. Blood clots. Come on, I'm always hungry. Nasty Karina. What you know about me? I say the girl don't know me, no people. The girl don't know me from nowhere. The girl don't know me. That must me tell you, sister Jamaican. You see, Jamaican man, me I tell you, man, no blood clot, you know. You see, Jamaican, them terrible and wicked, you know, I say them want things to themselves alone. I'm say Karina no have a 9-digit number in America, no blood clot. Karina, you don't have no 9-digit number from have my blood clot social media pay tax in this blood clot. IRS know my blood clot name. Me say IRS know my blood clot name. Me say Rusty can't put you no location for blood clot work. Me say my aunt Pauno. Me say supposed to see how me wake up early, 6 o'clock, the blood clot man. Cause me say me want 2 jobs. Cause 2 jobs, you know, in the cold time, I make a nice piece of change. Right? So me say, alright, then I use a job here down at the restaurant. I make it be me little, you know, pocket money when I can have extra cash. Me blood clot. Me say me drink Baileys the whole night. Me don't sleep, but bleach pan the blood clot work. When me forgot on there, go do the blood clot training. And the girl pull the door for me. Me don't know why, you know. More than me say, good morning, whatever, you know. And me say, and she say, oh, are you come for the waiting? And I say, yeah. And she say, all I'm call the manager. And she call the manager and they on the phone and talk to the man. Me don't know the girl I tell the man about. I hear the girl they on no. Pure blood clot, no. Pure no. And me I say, what should I tell him so? Make she keep on and say, no. Nah, take it as nothing, you know. So the man say, come back tomorrow 8 o'clock because him never did it. The man say, come back 8 o'clock because him never did it tomorrow. So I say, no, so this is a joke thing. I now go back. Because if you go deal with business, you just deal with business and done. Why am I wake up out of my bed 8 o'clock again for come back tomorrow? I now go do that. You get me? And then the shift them where them have down there, it could have worked with which part me I work already. I could have balanced the thing. You understand? Tell me now, people, say, if I not box the girl back so that I'm a mouth. I say the girl tell the woman, say, don't take her, she a thief. And she vulgar and she always upon TikTok and she always upon Instagram and them something there. She a thief, re. Karina, eat not too much. Me say eat not too much, it not stop you so. Mama, it not stop here. So, my dad at the hospital a blood clot work. I never teeth for medication yet. So, cocky Karina. I'm come down there so if come put a blood clot 9 to 5 to $100 with my blood clot. If you call my name and tell a lie for me, I go bring you down, Miss Nancy. You know why it hurt me so? You know why it really hurt me? Cause me no know her from nowhere. You understand? That's why it hurt me, you know, cause me no know her from nowhere. You see, if it was a girl me didn't know now, and me and her did have a beef, or she know somebody where, or me and her family or something, I could have said, true. I said, God, they might always fight or whatever, but me no know her, me no know the girl, nothing at all. And you do that, girl, you cannot do that to people. You cannot do that to people. You want work and you don't want nobody get no work. And the attesting, you don't authorize work. And that's the attesting. You don't authorize blood clot work. Big head blood. Karina, you see a sick by your head? You see a helmet by your blood clot head, Miss Jupiter. I got Mars, Venus, and blood clots all in your blood clot. I say, wait till I can go blood clot live. Oh. I said, supposed to see how the girl laugh with me the morning. Greet me and I smile, you know, and I go on like she a manager, you know. This dirty blood clot girl, you know. Down a blood clot, rusty flavors restaurant, you know. Karina, I say, you see if me not do nothing evil to nobody in America, me I go evil out your blood clot. I say, oh, me I go deal with your girl, you go cry. I say, me cry, you know. I cry, I'll come up on the tree and me a ball, you know. And me I say, Jesus Christ, come wake up out of my bed early. I wake up out of my bed early. I say, Karina, it not too much, girl. Me I tell you, it not blood clot too much. I say, same as how the blood clot, girl, make me not get to work. A little second money. And box food out of my pitney mouth. All if you have pitney girl, them can't eat because me have box food out of them blood clot mouth. The Bible say an eye for an eye and a tooth for a blood clot too. But say Karina, me gotta deal with the dirty. But say girl, how I feel it, but say I can't sleep. I not sleep. I say me I wait for them people at blood clot office to open up because me gotta call them. Me gotta call them. Me gotta call an health inspector pound of blood clot. Me gotta deal with them. They're wicked. Me I tell a girl, the truth, Karina.